stage next, all the way from Jamaica, Yardcore!
Holy man's greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor I, King Selassie I the First. Jah! Cause when you hear the voice of the Rastaman sing, read him. Turn it up. Brooklyn, how you feeling? If you love Jamaica, when I say jump, you say make a jump. How we go? Plant an acre in Jamaica. Smoke the best in my brown paper. Shake the shaker. Brooklyn, do you love marijuana? And it says split for like split. Do not fight it. This is my partner, Danglez, and the night will. So Babylon, them should have never want. I'm coming you want with us a little jar like it. Do not fight it. Level it. Are there any Richie Spice fans inside the house? When I say Richie, you say Spice. Richie? How you go? Roll another one. One more time, Brooklyn, if you love marijuana, listen. Split for lights play, so do not fight it. It's a partner that lives and the night will. Say Babylon, them should have never won. Lock up anyone with us a little jar like this. Do not fight it. This is a partner that we say marijuana is medication, alright? So listen now, me say me never like pill, but the marijuana that me buy me night will. I say my bleed, but me got me sight. Dash. If you're loving the vibe, say fire. Alright, watch you now. If you're loving that marijuana decriminalizing and New York, say legal. Oh, but guess what? There are a lot of places still in the world that people are getting locked up, hung for marijuana. So we can't forget about them people, ready? I had war with the highest set of green in my pocket. Yes, this is devil. This is when I go and jump on the other day, guess what go on? What am I do? Listen again now. Watch how they jump on them man jump. Spike on with beans and them want take with crops. Tell your friends start them never like cops. Wolf in a sheep clothing so them never like cops. Never like when the rest of man and talk fat. So we see them far right and we not need contracts. Tell him we not fit them illegal. One more time, Brooklyn, I go. Police in the what am I do? Level. Who wants to know if you sing know this song? Can I hear you singing this song? How you go? Hey, I mean say sometimes in the fields. What am I do? Burning the valley weed. But if you continue to burn up the herb, we gonna louder. Continue to burn up the herb, we gonna turn it up. Well, listen. Rest in power. The man called John Holt, alright? Second verse. Now start on the fire for the system. Boy, I got the marijuana farmer in a building. Straight from the heart of me, talk of me sing when me advocate with the cannabis business. Me no lip sync. Tell me what you think when you sip it in the drink. Or you blazing on the pig, blazing on the burger, make you hide them. But I could.
Police in the helicopter.
That's right, shit. If you love the vibe, vibe, say legal. Original style. Next ready. This one has to be for all ghetto youths worldwide. We say put on the black and black crime right now. But we not see a white man and kill a white man, no. So ghetto youth no bother straight in. But when we take a stop, listen all the reason it me see a black and raise them. Let me go sight up and they use so much. Heck when I'm catch them. I sit up. When I say yard, you say core. Yard? That is my name for all of you who don't know. Coming to you from Kingston, Jamaica. One more time for the ghetto youths. Ghetto youths with them. We say stop the black and black crime. We not say Chinese man and kill Chinese man. We not say Indian and kill Indian. We not say no white man and kill no white man. So when me say ghetto youths no bother straight in. But when we take a stop, listen all the reasoning, me see a black and raise them. Let me go sight up and they use so much. Heckle and catch they in a sailor. Watch them and step with the level. Brooklyn, New York, do you love Jamaica? Can I see one in the sky for Jamaica right now? So how we go? Jamaica are the land where me love, land where me born, land where me ancestors planted. Chucking feel from dust till dawn when Marcus carry a shine light. Mixed then a bus when him bring the alarm. Polish at the sheriff so him can't see my love. Now make no politician take your fin of cloud of Buddha. 6'6" in a day. So get to you no matter straight head. Gosh. If you love the vibe, say fire. Flash it. Flash it. Now this one has to be my first single. When I say ready, you say now. Ready? Ready? Brooklyn, me say me ready now. Everything let me know. From a farm, I'm a real rebel, yo. Set the gem and cool, I never settle down. Nah, Brooklyn, me say me ready now. 5+7 now. 12 tribes are dominant. Level. If you love Jamaica, let me see someone in the sky. Me a look. Hey. Pepper, anytime pepper's true. Yardcore and sing and the wish I never true. Now every DJ have my song up in a queue. Max Glazer mix it like a idol stew. Them hear my voice and them asking a who. Oh me so clean, oh me so fresh, oh me so new. In a the dance like the mountain dew. Lord got my style smooth like a damn shampoo. Them wanna run, fly them wanna go. But you take a walk in my avenue. Me contagious, I never do. But if you don't like me, me don't like you. The boy do that's him on the get. Many are gone, me say. Make some noise for Federation Sound, please. Make some noise for Federation Sound. You are ready now. Dash. Brooklyn, New York. Love the item. If you want to get the full hardcore experience, you follow out July 30, New Blue in the city here. Hardcore live with the Generous Band. Love you all, that's my time.
Brooklyn, make some noise for Yardcore! Alright, like I said, I was upstairs.